You got that.
I have
Okay,
a question.
yes.
Who was first?
He was, yeah, that's...
Okay.
No, no.
How the woman attract the light?
Women attract the light.
We know that the woman is not attracting the light, so what is my choice then? What shall I do?
First of all...
Shall I marry for Kabbalists? Because I think that this is my only choice.
I think we have a single man here.
Is it?
We don't have a priest in this, but anyway. But it's a good question, really. What actually Ari said in 15th century, Ari Yitzhak Uriah, he was born in 15th century, and what he said that the wisdom of Kabbalah is open to everyone, and you can attain the spiritual, no matter if you're a child, man, a woman, you can attain the spirituality.
Yes, but just the men attract the light. The woman, naturally, they don't attract the light. So
also
what
the
is...
men have a woman inside, so the woman will have the men as well.
This what I have here from Michael Leitman. He said that the women, they should be with someone who attract the light, with the men Kabbalists.
Because he used
So what is
the
my
men
choice?
start, they pass the light to the women. But there is much open now. Women can study everything that the man does.
Well, I mean, obviously you've heard what Michael Lightman said about this, and you've heard what he's spoken about. Ideally speaking, what happens is the men. It's really the men's job to unite with each other. That's really what the men have to do. They have to unite and they have to draw the line. The women have to do everything in their power to sort of help that process along through various different means. And by that, everybody attains spirituality. But there's no... the restrictions aren't as strict as they were before. For example, when Rabash would take students, he would demand that they were married, that that they had children, etc., etc. Those restrictions are not so stringent now. But that's it's kind of two sides of the same coin, if you like. If the women help the men in that process of uniting, then everyone gets spirituality through that.
Thank you.
No problem. Did that answer your question?
No. Next time I'll ask again.
It's very important that you actually start moving towards that and then ask a question again. Did I feel anything? Did I attain anything? Did I attain the upper light? Did I attract it light? First of all, start moving towards this action and see whether you've succeeded or not, and then actually ask whether I need a man or I need the upper light. Start doing this first of all, moving towards it. Before you don't have to there's not about the belief or trust in Kabbalah. You have to yourself. You have to attain this quality, attain it. So we don't, everything we say, you have to feel it on your own, by yourself. This quality, the feelings, everything really. And even by Sulam, all the greatest Kabbalists, they actually just say, and you actually attain it yourself. They are guiding you towards that door, and then you have to really come to that door and then actually start saying whether I need somebody in my life to attain. There are, as you know, that in our society we have over 2 million students. More than half of that are women. Over 2 million students, and 60–70% of that are women, and they're studying. And we actually don't hear that question anymore from them, because they are in such degree, and there are some Kabbalists that were women and attain a very high degree of spirituality.